Are you craving for some psychological facts? Now let us look at some weird psychological facts which you may have never heard of. If you like this video, don't forget to comment and drop a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing and mind-blowing facts. Fact number 1. Have you ever wondered why we keep dwelling on something bad rather than something good? According to an American psychological researcher, John Gottman, who had done various researches and studies on marital stability, suggested that the magical ratio is 5:1, meaning that for every negative encounter, there should be at least 5 positive ones to make up for the effects of the negative ones. Fact number 2. Do you also believe that speaking about your goals to someone else can motivate you? Well, it's the right opposite. Studies done at NYU, led by Mr. Peter Gollwitzer, showed that telling people about your goals gives us, as Gollwitzer and his colleagues say, a premature sense of completeness. This creates a pride within us which won't allow us to work harder to achieve our goals. Whereas, writing our goals out can create a compelling need to act out on those goals. Fact number 3. Psychologists at the University of Chicago found in past researches that foreign languages can help people to take more rational decisions in any dilemma. Studies also show that our native language or mother tongue is connected with so many emotions than foreign languages which may be acquired much later in life. Fact number 4. It has been observed that the color blue is an appetite suppressant. This is because blue color can make our minds calm and thus reduce our metabolism. Studies have also proven that our appetite can be affected by colors. Gary Blumenthal from International Food Strategies said that color and the appeal of various foods are closely related. Fact number 5. Did you know that loneliness was harmful? Researchers have found that loneliness is just as lethal as smoking 15 cigarettes per day. Lonely people are 50% more likely to die prematurely than those who have healthy social relationships. Loneliness can also reduce immunity, leading to various diseases. They may also suffer from depression and various psychological disorders. Fact number 6. At Emory University's School of Medicine, researchers have recently discovered that small rodents like mice are capable of passing information and phobias throughout the generations. This study helped them determine that phobias may be memories which are passed down through many ancestors by means of our DNA in case of humans. Fact number 7. Chocolates contain phenylethylamine which stimulates the dopamine. The dopamine is a neurotransmitter that creates a feeling of pleasure and motivation. Chocolates are also known to boost the production of feel-good hormones and endorphins from the brain. Researchers have also found various mental health benefits of eating chocolates. Though past studies have had conflicting results, the majority points to a positive link between chocolate consumption and a decrease in the depressive symptoms. Fact number 8. Researchers have proven that humans tend to forget around 90 to 95% of our dreams. Now, this forgetfulness is generally because of the neurochemical conditions in brain that occurs during the REM sleep. The REM sleep is a phase of sleep that is characterized by rapid eye movements and dreaming. But that might not be the entire reason. Perhaps the most compelling explanation is the absence of a hormone called as the norepinephrine in the central cortex, a brain region that plays a key role in memory, thought, language, and consciousness. A study done in 2002, which was eventually published in an American Journal of Psychiatry, supports the theory that the presence of norepinephrine can enhance memory in humans. Fact 9. Have you ever thought of just looking at your social media for a few minutes and ended up scrolling for hours and hours? Now, this is because social media is psychologically created to become more addictive. As we discover new information or read something of interest, our brain is rewarded with dopamine and oxytocin. Now, dopamine is stimulated by unpredictability. Thus, tiny bits of information can create a bursting curiosity among us. Pretty much the exact conditions of social media. The pull of dopamine is so strong that studies have shown that tweeting is harder for people to resist than alcohols and cigarettes. Also, researchers have proved that within 10 minutes of social media time, oxytocin levels can rise as much as 13%. Fact number 10. Humans aren't so good at multitasking as we think we are. Research published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology showed that when we think we multitask, we may be focusing only on one of the tasks. This is because human brain can perform only one cognitive function at a time. So what you're basically doing is switching quickly between the two tasks. Fact number 11. The number of people with whom one can maintain stable social relationships is actually limited. This was proposed by British anthropologist Robin Dunbar. He found a relationship between the primate brain size and average social group size and named it as the Dunbar's number. He proposed that humans can comfortably only maintain up to 150 stable relationships. And the final fact. Did your mind ever drifted away while listening to lectures or doing something? Now this isn't your fault. Scientists agree that we spend an average about 30 to 50% of our time in daydreaming. Now daydreaming can be defined as a reverie you experience while you are awake. Thanks for watching.